In this video, you'll learn how to find your workspace URL on Slack. This process will help you easily access and share your workspace link with others. Begin by opening the Slack application on your device. If you are using a web browser, navigate to the Slack website. Once you are on the main Slack page, look for your workspace name at the top left corner of the screen. This is where you will start your search for the workspace URL. Next, click on your workspace name. A drop-down menu will appear displaying various options related to your workspace. This menu includes settings, preferences, and other features. You should see an option labeled Workspace Settings or similar wording depending on the interface. After this, select Workspace Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can view and edit various details about your workspace settings. Ensure that you are on the correct workspace settings page before continuing. Once you are on the workspace settings page, look for the option that says Edit Workspace Details. Click on this option to proceed. This is where you can modify your workspace information, including your workspace name and URL. Then in the Workspace Details section, find the field labeled Workspace URL. This field will display the current URL associated with your workspace. Take a moment to note this URL as it is essential for sharing access with others. Finally, if you need to copy the workspace URL, look for a button or icon that allows you to copy the link. Clicking this will save the URL to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever needed. Ensure that you have copied the correct URL before finishing the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.